this is where we are. Hello, human beings. This is Alicia, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, we are in a beautiful province of Ontario, and as you guys can see, that we are having a camp, basically with my friends, and we are just enjoying. I am here to show you guys this beautiful place because it reminds me of the days when we used to do camping a lot, and just because of this COVID-19 situation, we were unable to do some camping. So with that being said, we have a couple of friends from Ontario, we have a couple of friends from Manitoba, so we are all gathered up here and we are enjoying. So let me show you guys that what we are doing. It's morning right now. I think it's about like 9 o'clock in the morning, so we are all up and we are making a breakfast. Let me introduce you quickly to my chef and all the other people, and after that we'll show you some drone shots. So let's go. Alright, so we are here, and let me introduce you to a couple of my friends. Maybe you guys have already met some of them. So back to Mr. Afreen. Say hi, bro. How's it going?
Hi,
Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Daman Bhai from Ontario. These both guys are from Ontario, and Mr. Guddu. Guddu Bhai? Guddu? Bro, what's up? Alright, we have Mr. JR, first time on channel.
How's it going?
How's it going, bro?
Good.
Alright, this is Guddu's house, basically his camp, and this is the place we are sitting. This is our camp, and let's see. Mr. Sabi, you know already. This guy is the chef, as you guys can see, making some breakfast for us. Thank you, Sabi bhai.
No problem, sir.
Mr. Russell, all the way from Winnipeg. Alishma. Raman bhai, first time on channel. Say hi, bro. How's it going? Good morning. Sir, Pankaj bhai.
You bread bana rahe ho?
You guys know this. So this was our camp where we stayed a night, and let me show you guys from inside. Like, this is from Ontario, that is my brother's car. This was a small camp, basically for 2 or 3 people, and then this is our main camp. Basically we actually wanted to have something a little bit bigger because, again, staying here with like 8 people, I think we are 8, is very difficult. So let me give you a little bit of tour from inside. By the way, as you guys can see that this is our recreational area. Okay, you guys can chill out here. This is from the inside. Okay. All right, that is my bed, and basically you can, so this is net, you can take this off, like from the outside, from here you can take this off, and in the night time, if you have a nice weather, which basically is always cold when you're doing camping, so you can you can sleep here and do some stargazing, which I love a lot. You guys know that. And we stayed here, probably 5 or 6 people were in here, 2 people were in that camp, and then I think a couple of them were in their cars. They just slept in the car, because when you come for the camping, what happens is that it's not about sleeping. It's always about having discussions, some conversations and all that stuff. You guys sit on the fire pit, talk with, share some stories and all that stuff. So, with that being said, we'll have some breakfast and you guys enjoy the drone footage. I'll see you in a moment. Peace.